Greetings world. We are anonymous.
Hi guys, today we are going to see how to use NAP. The ethical hacking contains many processes. Among that, one of the process is footprinting or information gathering. There are many tools available for this. One of the tool is named as Nmap and it is very famous. We are going to learn how to use it today. Let's get started. I have a document which is created by me on the left side. These are the commands that we are going to use today. It contains most of the command that the host uses in Nmap. This is enough for you. If you want to learn more, I have attached the link in the document itself. You can use that link to read more. And I have attached the link to download this document in the description given below. So let's get started. Open your terminal up and just type Nmap. It will show you information like this, more information. If you want to learn more, you can read this and you can also learn more. First of all, I have to warn you, Nmap is a very noisy tool, which means it will tell everyone that we are using it. For example, now I want to gather the information about you. I am using Nmap to gather that. What Nmap will do is, on the way it's going, it will tell everyone, hey, I'm going to gather the information about him, hey, I'm going to gather the information about her, hey, I'm going to blabber. It will shout like that. Therefore, anyone can tap it and see who is using it and they can hack me. So use it wisely with caution. I'm going to use the official scanning page to teach you how to use it. We have here scanme.nmap.org. First, look here. Basic scanning technique. Normal, we can use Nmap. The command is Nmap space target. The target mentioned here is actually the IP address or a domain name. A domain name means www.google.com or like this scanme.nmap.org, like this. The target can be a domain or a IP address. The IP address, it can be IP address IPv4 or IPv6. Okay. Normally the target is IPv4. We won't use IPv6. If you want to use it, there is another command. First, let's get started with the normal command Nmap. Nmap. I am going to copy this here. Scanme.org. Yeah. Enter. It's running. Based on the internet speed, it will take some time. Sometimes many times. I don't know actually how much time it's going to take today. Let's wait. If you want to use Nmap or practice Nmap, you can use like me scanme.nmap.org. Otherwise, you can use or you can trace your own network. You can do that by, wait, I will teach you. Let's open another. Yeah, it's come. We got it. Starting Nmap 7.8. That's what we seen. Nmap scan report we have here. The host is up. Yeah, the host is up. What it shows is other address for scanme. Okay, we don't need that. We have normally Nmap will scan 1000 ports, which was regularly using by the users. Okay, it will scan for 1000 ports normally, but we don't need it 1000 ports. If you want Nmap to scan 10 ports like that, just put Nmap hyphen any number and then give the command. But normally it will scan for 1000 ports. And here what I have is the scanme.nmap.org has 996 closed ports, which means they all are closed. It's not active now. What are the ports open is SSH. they have the SSH server open, HTTP server open, and a light, and then echo. These all are the service with the state open now, and the port for SSH 22 and HTTP 80. These all are the port for this corresponding service. Okay, it's normally okay. Let's. I'm not going to use this scanme.nmap.org hereafter. I'm going to copy this IP address here. It's same. It's their IP. Copy. See, I just copied it, and the first command we have successfully finished the first command. The second command we have second command. Before that, I want to tell you if you are learning it or if you are going to practice it, just use as I am using now, like scanme.nmap.org, which is actually free. Don't scan others and you get in trouble. Okay, otherwise you want to do that, just I open another terminal and I put here ifconfig is, it will show you the IP address of your system. Oh, sudo. Okay, I have here. It's not running internet. It's Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is running. Yeah, actually I have connected to my Wi-Fi only, and my this iNet refers to the IP address, and this iNet 6 refers to the IP address, IV version 6. Okay, now just copy this IP address, just close this. Yeah, I said no. And second, we are going to use how to scan multiple targets. It's very easy. Nmap and then first IP address and space, just leave space, and what we have here is this IP address. We have this IP address. Shift C, I place it here. Okay, first IP address. This is my first IP address, that is mine. And this is my second IP address, which belongs to Nmap. That's all. This is how we can scan multiple IP address at the same time. Starting Nmap 7.8, it's running. Just wait for it. And I said you already, I have given a link in the description through which you can download this document. Don't waste this document. Please download it and use it wisely. We are not going to see every command present in this document actually. I will give you the basic commands and you do practice it in home. Try every command, use everything, and you say what all are the output you got, and let me know in the comment box. Yeah, we got the result here. The scanning Nmap for anonymous 10. Yeah, it's my I put my IP address here. No, anonymous 10 is my PC, and it show me. See, this IP address belongs to anonymous 10. The host is up. I am using it, but all the 1000 ports are closed because sometimes it say you the false result. Sometimes it say the true result. But in my case, it gives me the true result because I don't have any domain or server actually running here. So it gives me the 1000 ports are closed. Another reason it gives you the 1000 ports are closed is I am using a Linux system. You can find whether some are using Linux system or not through this. If the Nmap gives you that all the 1000 ports are closed, which means someone is running a Linux system, which is very difficult to crack actually. And then we got the result for here, scanme.nmap.org. This 44. I put here the 45.33.32.156, which belongs to scanme.nmap.org. The host is up and 996 ports are closed and the 4 ports are open, which are SSH, HTTP, echo and light. That's all. This is how we can do a multiple scanning. Now what we are going to see is, we are not going to remember every IP address and not going to type like this. What if let us consider you have a customer and he is asking to trace the information about this guys, he giving you a list. Okay, how to use Nmap on such list? Let's see. What I am going to do is just cat. I think these all are the command I taught you already. A.txt. In a.txt, I'm going to paste this IP addresses. Enter. Another IP address is this one. That's all. Yeah, I came out. Now what I'm going to do is just I'm going to open a.txt and see whether the IP address are there. Yeah, it is there. Now how we can do that is nmap. Just put the file name a.txt. Before that, we have to mention that a.txt is a list. Hyphen I capital L, which represent it is a list. Hyphen I capital L. What? Right. Okay. Map hyphen I L a dot txt. IL represent it is a list, okay, and a.txt. That's all. Right. Starting in nap, it's going. It will search for the list for any presence of IP address. If any IP address is present in that list or text document, it will take that IP address and scan and give me the result. Just wait for it. Yeah, 2 IP addresses, 2 hosts are up, and what are the IP addresses scanned for is anonymous 10 and anonymous. Oh my god, gosh. Anonymous 10. In anonymous 10, all the ports are closed. First, scanme.nmap.org. In that, 4 ports are open. Okay, it's good. The same result we got. Next, we can scan a range of IP addresses. How we for that? For example, I have my okay, that's all. Yeah, I have my IP address here 192.19168.43.154. I can scan like this. This is your shift plus V. What I'm going to do is 0 to a range. I'm going to scan a range minus 154. Just I scan for 200. Nmap space. Yeah, this is the way we can scan from. Nmap target. This is the target from 0 to 200. This is what we are going to do. It is going to scan from IP address 192.168.43.111. Sorry, wait, the result came up. Nmap scanning report 43.1. Actually, 43.1. The host is up. 999 ports are closed, and how to say the port state server. In that 192.168.43 from 0 to 200, only 2 hosts are there. All other domains are not present. It's 1 and then 154. One is mine, anonymous 10. Another one belongs to someone. Actually, hereafter we can use with him. Okay. Then, actually, what we can do is subnet. What a subnet means is actually IP address. I scan the range here note from 0 to 200. What a subnet means is the point 0 to IP address will have 256. How to use it? Just see. Just put a slash. You don't need to mention 0 here. What? How to do that is I know my IP address now 154. What I'm going to do is I want to scan all the IP addresses which belongs to my subnet, which means this 192.168.43 which belongs to that. Just put 24. 24 means 256 bit. It scans for 256 items. Just start. You will get the same result, which will say 192.168.43.1. The host is up. 997 closed ports, and another one 154 is up, and its name is anonymous 10, and all the 1000 ports are closed. We can do this. How many ports it scanned is 256. Normally an IP address which starts from like that 192 point something 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 0.0 to 0.256, it will be presented. Okay, this is the way we can use the subnet. then we are not going to use now the scan the random. Actually we can exclude the target. How I am going to exclude is, it's very simple. What I am going to say, I know anonymous 10, this IP address is mine. Okay, what, see, 192.168.43.154 is my IP address. I don't need to scan it. Okay, how I can do that is, okay, I'm going to scan nmap from 1.843.0 to 200, and I'm going to exclude it. Just put minus and then enter exclude, exclude the target. What target I don't want to use is 192.168.43.154. That's all. Now see, error facing net mask in, I did a mistake again. Yeah, instead of putting point, I just used a, right, yeah, I used slash point. Starting nmap 7.8, the same. What it do? Yeah, see, only one host is up. In the before result we have seen two hosts is up. One is me and another one is someone. I don't know. Now see, I got the result for someone. This 43.1 I got, and it shows me one host is up, another host is me. Actually I said here I don't want to scan 154. I said exclude 154. You can do the same method, list here. You can use the list here. How we can do that is, see, the same I have given exclude. If you want to mention it as a file, exclude file. Sorry, can you delete? Exclude file a.txt. That's all. Yeah, it's in out of 200 IP address, one host is up. And in here also it does not show my information, which means in this a.txt I have mentioned my IP address and I said exclude file and given a file name. It will search for every IP address present in the file, and if any IP address is there, it won't scan that IP address. That's all. Then, and I have said that we can use IP address as a target, and we can use IP address version 6, which means how to do that is, just you have to do nmap, you have to mention it is an IP address version 6, and now currently I don't have any IP address which belongs to version 6. So that what I am going to do is, I am just going to put that nmap.org, so that, wait, just go up and search for it. There we got IP address 6 for that. Yeah, nmap.org is scanned, or scan 246 something. We don't have IP address for that. I just copy this. I don't know it will work or not. We have to use IP address 6 here, but I'm going to just check it. Let's check. If it's not work, you should not use a domain here. If you mention -6, which means what I'm going to use as a target is an IP address which belongs to version 6. The version 6 IP address or seem to be very large. It contains alphabets and numbers 20f6 dot is2 and all will be there. It's look like a big something. The short version is IP address version 4. That's what we are using now. I didn't got results till now. Yeah, it shows me nmap's result for the scan. Host is up. Yeah, it scan. Actually, this is the IP address version 6. I said no. It shows me the IP address version 6. The target can be domain, even if you mention that it is an IP address version 6. I mentioned IP address version 6 and put the domain name. What it gives me, in bracket it gave me the IP address version 6. This is the IP address version 6. We can't remember this now. But if you have IP address version 6 and if you want to use nmap, then put like this, nmap